Take one. Okay, so right here I'm going to open up the Nintendo Switch Lite Pokemon Sword and Shield version, and I will be applying this Hori special. It's a Nintendo license protector, so this is what I'm going to do as well. So first let's see what's inside this box. It's I was planning on buying a Nintendo Switch, but due to the coronavirus we ended up not having any Nintendo Switch, you know, the big version that you can plug into your TV. So I ended up buying this one. That's but as I was thinking about, I kinda think that this will be actually a bit better to me, because I don't feel like I'm going to use it you know, through the HDMI cable or anything. So let's see. Oh wow. So first thing that we have is like what to do once to start. We need to charge the Switch Lite before we can use. And why did I go into this version? Well, first because I like Pokemon. Second because I didn't really like, well, some of the other colors were cute, like the blue version, and there's going to be another one going to be released right now on the 20th of this month, but I didn't want to wait. It's a pink one. So after this, here's what's inside the box. It's very well packaged, and there's like, here's the Nintendo Switch. And first thing that I'm going to do is to apply that screen protector. It also comes with the charger. So how do I get to the charger, you ask? I have no idea. Okay, I just found out. There's like a safety guide and the charger. That's it. That's what's inside the box. Not many things, just basically the Switch, the charger, and safety guidelines. There's no manual or anything. My guess is that the manual is available online through the PDF, and that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the screen protector, charge, and not do anything because I don't have any games yet. The place where I bought didn't have anything that I wanted to play, and I ended up ordering online. I'm going to probably visit on other shops as well for some games, but that's it for now. This is what's inside the box. You don't get anything else. You don't. I remember when I bought the Nintendo 3DS, and it came with a lot of things. Like it came with a thick manual and some papers also. So you kind of got a lot of things inside. But as the years passed by, nowadays everything is like on PDF and everything. Well, I'm not really complaining, you know, because it's good to the planet, you know. And you kind of felt a lot of value on it before. It kind of feels like a cheap, I don't know, something cheap nowadays. But I know that it's not something cheap, it's very well made. And, you know, we are kind of like helping the planet a bit as well. So that's it. That's what this video was about. See you guys on another video.